Okay, here is the Knit Crate yarn. If you like to order under me, you can get your first month 20% off if you put in the promo code JEWEL20. $24.99. You get 2 skeins of yarn with a booklet of patterns. The links are down below. And then if you like to come to amyscrochetpatterns.com, that's down below in the links. You can just go right to patterns. I have hundreds of free patterns. I've created most of them on my own. Some were given to me, like from relatives. So you can go to, let's see, headbands, push close. Not really sure why that thing pops up. Click on the pattern, the picture, and it takes you right to the pattern. And usually most of them come with videos. Then Amazon, I have my Crochet for Beginners and Crochet hats with Kindle, paperback, and audio. And then if you go to my Etsy store, I have 4 crochet printables with charts, vintage patterns, calendars that are just print-offs, tags for thank yous. I just added a bunch of Christmas cards and tags, vintage patterns. You can just come right in here and let me see, I have 63 items. I have birthday cards and calendars for 2022, which is 12 months, and then 2021 still. And then this purse I made, some thank you tags, vintage patterns, these 2 ponchos I made, and a thank you for businesses. Okay, so I'm going to show you the yarn that I'm giving away. Okay, to participate in this giveaway, you just need to comment down below something crochet related or maybe a video you would like to see, and make sure you're a subscriber. This is the booklet. It has knitting and crochet patterns, and this is what you would receive if you want to get the Knit Crate monthly. So it comes with all of these really cute, nice patterns, but it's half and half. Some are knitting, some are crochet. This is a nice, really nice shawl. And another beautiful scarf. And knitting socks. So if you're not a knitter, you can always learn. Because it's a combination of 2, the knitting, and this is crochet. Wait, this one's I think knitting. This one's crochet. Okay, and then the yarn, just comment down below and come back in about a week and I will pick a winner. It's a really nice yarn here. It is alpaca wool and takes a size 7 hook, and it has a nice feel to it. So you'll receive both of those and the booklet. So all you need to do is just comment down below, this is Knit Crate, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.